I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on three dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select an action newsletter. Connect to newsletter. Successfully connected to the newsletter. Next. Now map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the newsletter dashboard and navigate to the subscribers. Here, you can see that the data was successfully received in the newsletter. Thanks for watching.